Hey guys, Eric and Mario here, TC Orlando Homes, with a quick video tutorial on how to use the Authentisign system.
You probably just got an email from your realtor asking you to sign some documents. We'll briefly go over it and see how it looks on your side and how easy it is to sign. And also I'll show you what it looks like on our side.
Let's get started.
All right, so you probably received an email from your realtor asking you to sign the documents. The email would have came through and it looks something like this. Here below you see a pen, a brightly colored pen. It says click here to sign. Click on it. You must verify that you're not a robot.
Usually at this step you'll see some little pictures where you're gonna have to identify certain things. We've gone through this process numerous times, so the pictures aren't showing up for us. But just click the appropriate ones.
And now the document is loading. You'll see here, this is the standard signature. You can choose to draw your own, but this can get elaborate. Sometimes you cannot tell who signed it. So just leaving this here, which clearly states who I am, is perfectly fine option. We'll click accept.
And then as you can see, a bright red square is up at the top saying start. You click on it, and then it'll immediately take you to the first initial or signature spot. As you go through and click on each one, it sends you to the next. At any point during this, you can scroll up and down to read what you're signing, and then you can just go back and start to click on them. As you can see, we missed one, and it immediately sent us back to sign that.
It will ask you to complete signing once you fill all the fields that were requested.
As soon as you click on that, it gives you a little notification saying thank you very much. And then once you go back into your email, it'll also send you and your realtor a notification that something on the signing has taken place.
Back to the email, you'll see that we received a notification saying that somebody signed something in that document. There was only one participant signing, so that's why we received the final document here up top. And if you click on the document,
you can then click here in the middle of that email, and it'll allow you to download a copy of the final document with everybody's signatures on it. Easy peasy, guys. You have just learned how to do an electronic signature through the Authentisign system. Congratulations.
all right, thanks for checking out our video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know our clients appreciate it, saving the time. It makes it a lot easier this way.
If you have any comments or felt we missed anything that you would like us to add an additional video, let us know in the comments below. If you just liked it and thought it was great, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it.
Thank you.